Cool. It seems cool to visit there.
Yeah,
And any other place?
library.
Birmingham Library?
Yeah, the
It,
architecture is really cool. They had an architect, I can't
okay.
remember his name, but basically he came in and completely changed it and built it from scratch. And basically, the actual abstract outside of the library is amazing. It's really, really cool. And Birmingham Bullring, that's the thing that
Okay.
Birmingham's most known for, as well as the university, Bullring. Yeah, Birmingham University
Birmingham
has connections with
Bullring.
Dubai. So it's really good with economics, business. It's like one of the top business universities in the UK. But yeah, the Birmingham Bullring is basically how do I put it? It's like the shopping mall, the like
Shopping
main
mall.
shop. Yeah, it's the main shopping center, and it's really famous for like the amount of stores, like Selfridges, that type of thing. But that's if you're into shopping. Personally, I'm not into shopping, but
Did you
yeah,
go there last time?
the last time I went there, the last time I went there was to go to Selfridges to go to a place called Ed's Diner, and
Okay.
it was to not have the food, but to have the milkshakes. So people will go to Ed's. Yeah, they do really, really good milkshakes. So I never get food from there, but I always get a milkshake.
So at diner, what is this? Is it a restaurant or what?
Yeah, yeah. It's a restaurant in Selfridges. There's multiple restaurants. But the majority of people go to Ed's Diner just to have the milkshake because it's like a really big milkshake. It tastes really good. I would definitely recommend it.
Okay, so milkshake is popular of at diner.
Definitely, yeah. Some people like literally, I just go there for the milkshakes. No food, just milkshakes.
So can you spend the whole day having milkshake?
No, that would be way too expensive. Um, but they are really good for value because normally when you pay like £7 for a milkshake or something, it's like a really tiny one and it's not that great. With theirs, it's like a proper milkshake. So it comes out in this metal cup, and basically you're drinking it. I'll see if I can find a picture for you. Ed's
Okay.
Diners milkshake. But yeah, would definitely recommend Ed Diners milkshakes. First time I tried it, I couldn't stop. They're really, really good.
Are you going to share the screen?
Yeah, I'll do that right now. Okay,
Okay.
there you go. So can you see the screen?
Oh yes, I do.
Really, really good milkshakes. Normally they come like this, unless you get one of the like fancy milkshakes. You don't want to get a small one. You want to get a big one. Like if you get a big one, it always comes in this, and it's like a liter of milkshake.
Okay. A lot of
It,
options I can see.
yeah, it's really, really good.
I think मैंने किसी जगह पे
So,
Okay, cool, cool, cool. And the next
so
one, next.
next one. Okay. Yeah, that's mainly what like Birmingham's known for. Like with the restaurants, for instance, if we're gonna go into food, there's a
The
thing called
first
the
you said Sarah Hall Mill, right?
Sehel.
The second
Correct?
one you said Birmingham Library, then Birmingham Bullring, and at Diner, right? So at Diner, the last one is more connected to a foodie place.
Yeah, I know. Yeah, it's one of the best places though. It's in the Bullring actually, like Ed Steiner is because so the Bullring has different levels,
Wait a
and
second.
Ed, sorry,
हेलो. ओके नंदन पहुंच गया ना. कोई दिक्कत नहीं हुई ना. चलो ठीक है फिर बात करता हूँ. ओके ओके. ठीक है फ्रेश हो जाओ. ओके. So
no,
sorry,
it's okay.
Sarah.
No worries.
Actually, my cousin brother, he visited us yesterday and he went away today.
Oh,
So
brilliant.
he reached his home
Mhm.
and then he called me up that finally I
Oh,
reached.
to make sure he like got back safely. That's really nice though. That's really
Yeah, yeah.
sweet. I like that, and it shows that you've got like a good
So I
relationship together too.
Yeah, so I
Oh,
confirmed that.
go ahead.
Was the journey okay? He said, yeah. Okay,
Honestly,
okay. So,
no, that's really
Sarah,
lovely. Like, I do that with my sister when she comes to visit. Like, I'll make sure she gets back okay, and I'll call. But I normally
oh,
call her husband because then like he actually tells me. Like,
it's very crucial. Okay. Well, so come to the point, Sarah. We have few minutes left. It's around 4 minutes and a half. Okay, and why not come to the places? You can tell me about the place which is popular for certain foods. Okay,
yeah.
or
Okay. So it's
about directly you can tell me about the foods.
okay.
Which
So
one should I try there?
well, this is the funny thing. Okay. So in Birmingham, there's a thing called the Balti Triangle. Um, in the UK, it's really, really
Okay,
diverse. It's like people have this like concept of the UK thinking, oh yeah, like it's just like English
triangle,
people, but it's not. Um,
Baltic triangle.
yeah. So there's Thai food, there's Indian food, there's Arabian food, there's Japanese food, there's Korean food, there's literally every single kind of food.
So
Every kind of
can you show me Baltic
yeah,
triangle? How
yeah,
does
cool.
it look?
Okay, let's see.
Otherwise, I'll have to research it.
That's okay. Like so, this is the Balti
Baltic
Triangle.
triangle.
Yeah, even though
Okay,
it's
it's
not
a
really a
place.
triangle, but yeah,
Okay, Baltic triangle. It's a place. I thought it's a food.
yeah. So it's literally just a high street of different types of food, and it's called the Balti Triangle because it's like literally the
Okay,
whole row of streets.
okay. This is street.
Yeah, high street.
Baltic
Yeah.
triangle. Mm-hmm.
It's
Okay.
really, really good. So this is kind of like someone made a guide to the Balti Triangle. Like
Right.
so yeah, because it's so popular. Like if you want to get like really, really good curries, for instance, it's the best place. There are
It
other
does.
like good go ahead.
It does look like a triangle. I can see.
Yeah. It's like
And what's the which food is popular here of this street?
mm, there's like so many different types of food. Like Thailand's Thai food's really, really popular. Indian food is super, super popular. Like
Wow,
hands down. Yeah.
I'm very happy.
Yeah. Yeah, like it's actually a funny fact. Like, the national dish, like the British national dish, is actually tikka masala.
Tikka masala
Yeah.
or tik.
So national dish Britain. One sec. Yeah. Yeah. Tikka masala and fish and chips.
What did you write there to search about? National dish of UK?
Yeah. So every country has a national dish.
Yeah.
All right. Yeah. I'll copy and paste this for you.
Okay. So what's the name of this dish? Tikka masala.
Yeah.
Show me, show me, show me. I'm waiting.
You don't know what? Okay. So tikka masala is tikka masala, like the curry.
Okay, zoom it, zoom it.
Okay. So
Sarah, are
that's
you
tikka
not
masala.
feeling water in your mouth?
What do you say?
Are you not feeling water in your mouth?
Yeah, I love tikka masala. Like I can make it from scratch. Best
Okay,
curry, tikka masala, korma.
okay.
Yeah.
Looks
So
very delicious, right? One
yeah,
should, one must try this one.
definitely. Yeah. What's a normal food in your country? Like for instance, in your area, what's like the typical like
Well,
national dish or national food?
okay, so it's kind of very difficult to say, okay,
Hmm.
because India is very diverse, okay.
Yeah, it's literally like
So
Europe.
in which region you are visiting? Sarah, I'm so sorry. Just few seconds
Oh,
left. You can see.
It was really
I
lovely
just
speaking
come on
with you,
chat,
though.
okay?